Welcome to our video on sharing files in OneDrive. Knowing how to share files and folders in OneDrive allows you and your colleagues to collaborate seamlessly. In this video, we're going to go over how to share files both directly and with a shareable link, the levels of access when you share files, and how to manage file permissions. To access OneDrive, log in to office.com with your identity credentials. Select OneDrive from the app launcher in the top left-hand corner. Next, find the file you'd like to share, select it, and click the Share button. This will open the sharing menu. You can also share a document directly from Microsoft 365 apps. With the document open, click File, then Share again. The rest of the steps will be the same as on office.com. First, we'll cover sharing files and folders directly with specific people. In the sharing menu, find the person you'd like to share the file with by searching for their name or email address. The list that appears will include results from your contacts, as well as the entire CU Boulder Microsoft 365 directory. Select the desired person from the list. If you're sharing with someone who does not have a colorado.edu email address, you may need to type in their full email address. Set the level of access you'd like to grant by clicking on the drop-down menu next to the search box. Can Edit grants full edit access to the file. Can View is view only, and Can Review allows people to view the file and make suggestions, but not edit it directly. Please note that Can View is the default option. If you'd like to add a custom message, enter it in the Add a Message box. Once you're finished, click Send. The people specified will receive a notification email with a link to the file. It will also appear in the Shared section of their OneDrive. Next, let's cover shareable links. Links can be included in an email or Teams message to provide access to a group of people without entering their emails individually. Before creating a shareable link, it's a good idea to double-check the sharing settings of your document. From the same Share menu that we showed at the beginning of the video, click on the gear wheel in the top right corner. Select who you'd like the link to be available to. Anyone gives access to anyone who receives this link, including people outside of CU Boulder, without having to log in. People in UCB 0365 gives access to anyone at CU Boulder who receives the link. They will be prompted to sign in with their CU Boulder identity, username, and password. People with existing access does not change any permissions. Any people who already have access to the file, as we showed earlier in this video, will be able to use this link. Finally, People You Choose gives access only to people you specify at this point. Other people the file is already shared with will not be able to use this link. If you selected the Anyone option, additional optional settings will appear at the bottom of the window. Use the Date field to set an expiration date for the link. After this date, the link will no longer work and you'll need to create a new one. Use the Set Password field to set a password that people will need to enter before they can view the file. Finally, set the level of access you'd like to grant for people accessing this link. We went over this earlier in the video, but it has the same options: Can View, Can Review, or Can Edit. And you can also prevent people from downloading the file by enabling the Block Download toggle. Once you're happy with all the settings, click Apply to create the link. You'll go back to the Share menu at this point, where you can click the Copy Link button. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know the link has been copied to your clipboard, and at that point you can feel free to share via email, Teams message, or put it in other documents. Finally, let's go over how to manage file access after you've shared something in OneDrive. Click on the Manage Access icon in the bottom left-hand corner of the sharing menu. Depending on how you've shared the file, the icons may look a little bit different. Alternatively, you can right-click on a file from the My Files list in your OneDrive and click Manage Access. The Manage Access window will show you a list of the people the file has been directly shared with. To edit the sharing permissions for a specific person, click on their name. To remove all access, including links, click Stop Sharing. To manage shared links, click Links. In the Links menu, click Copy to copy the existing link. The gear wheel icon allows you to modify permissions for the link, and the trash can icon allows you to remove the link from being accessed. Thanks for watching our video on sharing files and managing access in OneDrive. To learn more, visit oit.colorado.edu/OneDrive. If you have questions or need assistance, contact the IT Service Center at 303-735-4357 or email oithelp@colorado.edu.